Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Student of class 7. Chapter number 1 of English literature, Adventures of Isabel, was explained to you in the previous video. Now here in this video, I'm going to explain you the complete homework which you will be doing in your copies at home. The homework is as follows, that firstly what you have to do is maintain your copy, English literature copy, and maintain the index. Write down the name of the chapter in the index with the date, on which date you are doing the homework. Then you'll firstly start the work with the first term title page. Then the next work you will be doing that the chapter number 1, Adventures of Isabel. First term title page, chapter title page, Adventures of Isabel, and then you'll have to do 1 page writing from this chapter. Writing is must. Everyone must do 1 page writing in English literature copy. Okay? After completing your title pages and 1 page writing, you have to come to your homework. This is your homework which has been provided to you. You will do words meaning. Firstly, these are the words: cavernous, a large dark cave-like space, कार की तरह, concoctor maker बनाने वाला, crowd shout with delight खुशी से चीखना, hideous very ugly बहुत बदसूरत, pitch a black sticky substance made with tar कोल तार से निकलने वाला चिपचिपा मादा, rancor लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग बिटरनेस और रिसेंटमेंट्स पुरानी दुश्मनी सख्त बुग़्ज़ या बैर, रेवनस वेरी हंग्री बहुत भूखा, स्क्यूरी मोर हर्रिडली विद शॉर्ट क्विक स्टेप्स तेज़ी से हरकत करना, सेल्फ रिलायंट एबल टू रिलाई ऑन एंड लुक आफ्टर वन सेल्फ अपना आप को संभालने वाला, स्प्रिंकल्ड इरेगुलरली डिस्पर्स्ड छिड़कना. These are the words meaning you will do. After words meaning, you'll have to do these fill in the blanks. First one is Isabel met an enormous bear. The bear was hungry and ravenous. The giant was hairy and horrid. Isabel met a troublesome doctor. She took those pills from the pills concoctor. Enormous, hungry, ravenous, hairy, horrid, doctor, concoctor. After completing your fill in the blanks, come towards the true false, give the heading of the true false and do this work. This poem is written by Ogden Nash. Ogden Nash. It is a particular noun, it is the name of a person, a specific noun, so make the words, first letter capital. So this poem is written by Ogden Nash. It's a true sentence. He was an English poet. It is false because he was an American poet. Ogden Nash was an American poet, so it is false sentence. Isabel met a wicked old witch. True. She turned the witch into milk and drank her. True. Giant had 2 eyes. It's false because the giant, how many eyes the giant had? The giant was hairy and horrid. He had 1 eye. So it's a false sentence that he has 2 eyes. So it's a false sentence. You'll have to write all the statements and mark true, false in front of each sentence. Then word sentences: crowed, hideous, sprinkled, concoctor, self-reliant. Crowed, he crowed to see his reports. Hideous, the giant was very hideous. Sprinkled, she sprinkled lemon juice in a bowl of salad. Concoctor, he worked as a concoctor of medicines. Self-reliant, all the people in the city are self-reliant. Now coming towards the question and answers. These are the question and answer. What did Isabel do before she ate the bear? Isabel washed her hand and straightened her hair up before she ate the bear. She washed her hand and straightened her hair up. What did the witch look like? The witch face was cross and wrinkled, and she did not have many teeth. How did Isabel deal with witch? Isabel turned the witch into milk and drank her. What did the giant want to do to Isabel? The giant wanted to grind Isabel's bones into the powder like flour to make his bread. What was Isabel doing during her meeting with the giant? She was eating zwieback, a type of a bread. What did the doctor want Isabel to do? The doctor wanted Isabel to swallow some pills. How did Isabel deal with the doctor? Isabel cured the doctor, presumably by making him eating his own pills. Okay, students, so this is your homework. Firstly, maintain your copy with the index, with the title page of first term and the title page of the chapter, that is Adventure of Isabel. After title pages, make one page for the writing in English literature copy, then words meaning, fill in the blanks, true, false, word sentence, and all these questions you have to do in your copy with the very neat and clean writing, with the very neat and clean work. I hope you will do the same. Thank you very much.